Good morning. Good morning. Shubh Prabhat. Good day. Shubhodin. How are you all doing? Hopefully you're doing great today. It's bright sunlight outside, so I'm thinking you're doing all right wherever you are. আশা করি আপনারা সকলে ভালো আছেন। আজ আমি একটা অপটিমাইজেশনের প্রবলেম নিয়ে কাজ করব। Today I will work on a problem on optimization. So here we get started. Again, namaskar, assalamu alaikum. So I get started. Okay, just like before. I'll try to move the down here someplace. The profit P in thousands of dollars for a company spending an amount S in thousands of dollars in advertising is given as P equal to minus 1/10 S cubed plus 6S square plus 400. Remember, P is the profit in thousands of dollars. S is the amount of money on advertising. S in thousands of dollars. Find the point of diminishing returns at the point at which the rate of the profit function begins to decline. So let's change the color of the ink. Let's get started. Okay, so we have P is equal to minus 1/10 S cubed plus 6S square plus 400. Now, as you can think, or as you know, at the point of diminishing return, like they said, the rate of growth of profit begins to derivatives. Not only the first derivative will be set to 0, the second derivative will also be set to 0. So first let's find the first derivative of P with respect to S. And that is equal to minus 1/10 times 3S square plus 6 times 2S. And derivative of 400 with respect to S is 0. So this is the first derivative, which is, again, I can write as dp over ds is equal to minus 3 over 10 s square plus 12s. Okay. Now let's just do the second derivative. So let me create some space here. Because at the point of diminishing return, the profit growth, the rate of growth of the profit function begins to decline. So at the optimum point, the second derivative is also equal to 0. So let's find the second derivative of P with respect to S is equal to minus 3/10 derivative of S square is 2S plus derivative of 12s is just 12 because derivative of s with respect to s is equal to 1. So we have d second derivative of p with respect to s is equal to 2 goes into 10 5 times minus 3 over 5s plus 12. Like I said, at the point of diminishing return, at the point of diminishing return, second derivative of p with respect to s is 0. So thus Again, if I create some space, then mm, mhm. Thus, thus d second derivative of p with respect to s square s is equal to 0, or we can write minus 3/5 s plus 12 equal to 0, because that's the second derivative. Just to remind you, it is minus 3/5 s plus 12 equal to 0, or you will add 3/5 s on both sides plus 12. I don't have to write plus 12. You're just at this stage, you're just adding 3/5 of s on both sides. So we get 12 on the left hand side is equal to 3 over 5 s on the right hand side. Multiply both sides by 5. So 5 times 12 is 60, is equal to 3s, because 5 and 5 will cancel in the numerator and denominator on the right hand side. Now divide by 3 on both sides. We get 60. We get 60 divided by 3 is equal to 3s divided by 3. So get rid of, oops. So now 3 and 3 cancels, and the right hand side, and we have 60 divided by 3 is equal to 20. So that's your final answer. What does it mean? It means the point of diminishing return diminishing returns occur when s is equal to 20, which corresponds to 20,000, because remember s is in thousand. 20,000 in spent in advertising, spent on advertising. So let me summarize what I did. So they give us a profit function P, which is in thousands of dollars, in terms of S, where S is in money spent on advertising in thousands of dollars. Find the point of diminishing return. They gave us the hint that the point of diminishing the uh, diminishing for diminishing return, the rate of growth of profit function begins to decline, and that only happens when the second derivative of the profit function with respect to s, which is the advertising dollars, is 0. So first we find the first derivative, then we find the second derivative, then we set the second derivative equal to 0. Remember, we do that because at the point of diminishing return the second derivative is 0. And then we solve for s. S is 20. Remember, s is in thousands of dollars. That means at the point of diminishing return, the company will spend 20,000, okay, on advertising. I stop here today. If you have any question, comment, please write me a note. I love to see some comment from you. Okay. কোনো দ্বিধা করবেন না, যদি কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকে আমাকে লিখুন, কমেন্টে লিখুন, আমি উত্তর দেবো, সবাইকে উত্তর দেবো। আই উইল রিপ্লাই টু অল অফ ইউ, অ্যান্ড প্লিজ গিভ মি আ থামস আপ, দ্যাট রিয়েলি মোটিভেটস মি। অনুরোধ করছি একটা থামস আপ দেবেন এবং বন্ধুদের সঙ্গে ভিডিওটা শেয়ার করবেন। আমার চ্যানেলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন by hitting the red subscribe button, and please do not forget to click on the bell button, which will remind you every time I upload a new video, which I do almost every day. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care, and please do not forget to watch me tomorrow. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button, and please click on the notify button too. Thanks, take care, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.